I wrote this one thing. I'll turn this around. All right. And then the last thing I want to show, and I need just a second to make sure I'm running here. All right, so what's going on here? Like half the rest of the group was working on one point cloud streaming solution, and I was working on my own. And so one thing that, all right, let me run this. I wanted to mention, art and code. I'm more of the code side. So when I see art and code, I turn it into binary and I do an and. So depending upon if it's big endian or little endian, it's one of these two. So one of the things that one of the challenges with streaming point cloud data is that it's more data than just regular video streaming, and the depth data is not compressible by normal video algorithms. So I was working on different ways to stream or compress the point data, and depending upon some parameters, if I'm only sending the user data, so only the blue pixels, which is me, then I'm compressing the entire 614 400 byte array down to just under 9K, or if I send the whole thing, and this is including RGB, down to about 32K. Then if I change modes here, oops, turn that off. Let's go. Yeah, no. It's back. No. Okay. Now if I run this, I change the modes so that this, instead of just compressing it locally to show you what size it is, it's sending it over the internet to this server that is somewhere in like DC, and it's actually storing it in a SQL server, and I can show you the statistics. This is the number of frames, this is the total number of bytes that I have stored. So streaming all that data, so up to like a megabyte or so. And then I have a server that serves that data from SQL, and it's recording all the data, it's not just like transient. So you could like rewind and play from the beginning and stuff. I have a server that serves it through Silverlight, and now it's displaying in Silverlight, it's slightly delayed because of the buffering, but it's displaying roughly 15 frames per second at the lossless data. So that was my solution for point cloud streaming, and the and as far as the visualization, turning this into 3D is trivial after you do all the other stuff. And thank you. What's that? Yeah. All right. So I'll just leave that streaming, I guess, while everyone else is going. And the first two demos I did, the Ghost and the audio thing, those are both available, and I don't have the links written out, but those are both available open source. Thanks to everyone who helped. The lab was awesome.
I want to say a special thanks to Josh. I feel like as we're all kind of hammering away on our we're kind of going like this on our keyboard. Tink, 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 tink. Josh is just like. So it's been great to have his energy and expertise around the lab. I know a lot of these people from other events, from online, but I haven't really met Josh in person, haven't interacted with him much before. But it was really great to collaborate with him and have him in the space. So thanks, Josh.